Welcome to our deep dive series. I'm Alex Blackwood, and today we're launching a unique linear system with a sleek multi-cell design called Boggle.
Boggle is an ambient luminaire made up of miniature square downlights and glare-reducing baffles. With a UGR below 9, Boggle is most suitable for workspaces and learning environments. The light source is regressed in each cell, increasing the shielding angle and decreasing any glare.
With a cutoff angle of 60 degrees, you can see that as I approach a light mounted at 7.5 feet, it's only when I'm about 1.5 feet away that the light begins to catch my eye.
The baffles, available in black or white, glossy or matte, add an elegant internal finish to a functional look. The black baffle absorbs the light and creates a subtle aesthetic. And the white baffle offers the highest degree of reflection and efficacy. Each cell provides precise light beam control with an 80-degree optic. Boggle is available with indirect light using our powerful batwing optic, which emits a 120-degree beam and eliminates the central hotspot typical of linear systems. The result is an even, glare-free distribution of light. If you wish to block certain areas of the uplight so that unflattering spots are subdued, we offer blackout plates that come in 1-foot sections. It easily clips in place and can slide along the top of the fixture to where it's needed. On continuous runs, the connection between the segments is uniquely engineered to eliminate light leakage. All of our standard lengths use only 2 suspension cables, one at each end, including the 12-foot fixture. This is unlike other brands that require support cables every 4 to 6 feet. We offer a variety of lumen packages. The uplight runs up to 1,400 delivered lumens per foot, and the direct light 800. Boggle's efficacy runs up to 144 lumens per watt for the indirect light and 90 lumens per watt for the direct light. We offer a CRI of 90, color temperatures of 3000, 3500, and 4000 Kelvin. We also offer tunable white, which provides the ability to control the light's color temperature in a range from 2700 to 6500 Kelvin. Dimming options include 0 to 10 volt and dolly, which are compatible with all major control systems, and IoT integrations including power over Ethernet. We offer Boggle pendant in both continuous and standard standalone lengths. Boggle is also available in ceiling mount as standalone only, with standard lengths of 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 feet. Boggle recessed is also available in continuous and standard standalone lengths. For T-bar ceilings, Boggle recessed is designed with 6-inch filler plate at each end and can fit a standard 9/16 or 15/16 inch ceiling grid for either flat lay-in style or tegular. A hard ceiling, which is either drywalled or concrete, is available with or without trim. The metalwork for all ceiling styles is available in black or white. And that's Boggle, a clustered downlight linear with exceptional cutoff and glare control. We appreciate you joining us today. If you have any questions, please check out the live chat on our website. See you soon.